guys, welcome back to our makeup channel. Before I start this video, I want to give a shout out to Rachel Time. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel, and honestly I'm so happy that our family keeps growing every day. So thank you and a warm welcome from all of us. Today I bring you guys this really purple sexified that sounded wrong this purple blingy super glamorous look. Now this look honestly is not for you to go out to like church or anything like that. I mean, you could wear this to church, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna be judged. I mean, come on, it's church. And also it's not for you to go buy el mandado, but if you want to go out like this, then yeah, it's fine. I'm just pointing that out because a lot of people have been saying that my makeup is super dramatic. I love dramatic makeup. I am not a simple girl, I'm sorry. I really don't mind going the extra mile and doing really extravagant makeup. So for this one, I really wanted to go all out. I do have glitter on 3 parts. For the lips, I didn't tell you guys what I have, but I do have all the products that I use down in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Let's just get right onto the video so you guys can see how to do this sexy AF look. Alright chicas, so the first palette I'm going to be taking is the Huda Desert Dust palette. I'm going to be taking the color Eden, which is kind of a nude orangey brown color. I'm going to be taking this to my crease and blending it out outwards. This is going to be a great transition color for the darker colors we'll be using on the crease. So I'm just blending it out right here. Then I'm going to be taking the color amethyst. I don't know how to pronounce that, so don't make fun of me. And this color is a purple color. Now I will be like building it up. Once you apply it, like it starts to look like pink the first time, so you do have to build up the color a little bit, which I don't really mind. So that's what I did here. Applied it multiple times, blended it out. So then I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be taking the dark purple in her palette with a thinner blending brush. This color, I will focus it mainly on the crease part because I want this color to define my crease. I don't really want it to be smoked out in the outer end. I just really want it to define my crease so that when we cut the crease, it looks like I have a crease, I have some definition in there. So that's what I like to do. So here I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit because you don't want it to look either like you got a purple eye or anything. You do want it to look really blended out and amazing and cool. So that is what I'm doing here, just blending. So after blending your hands to exhaustion, now we're going to be taking this Makeup Forever HD foundation. You can use concealer, whatever you like. I just like to use foundation or concealer. I change it up a little bit. My favorite is to use this foundation. I just feel like it's kind of like watery and just like the perfect combo to cut the crease. So here I'm just taking my time to cut the crease. My tip and trick with this is just take your time, really take your time. And as you can tell, I'm kind of looking down, so I have the mirror on the bottom and I'm just like looking up and doing the crease because you really want to see like your whole eye and where you're gonna shape it. Then you obviously want to set it. I am going to be using the palette Desert Dusk, the one that we used at the beginning, to set it because you don't want to leave it unsetted. Is that even a word? I have no idea. But if you leave it like that, it will most likely like go everywhere. So you do want to set this part all the time, no matter what you're using. Then I'm going to be taking that purple again from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to be placing it in the outer corner and kind of blending it in with the white that we just used. This is just going to make it look like hella sick. I'm not going to lie. It's going to make it look so awesome. Now here is amazing. Okay, so I'm going to be taking these 3 glitters and I'm going to be applying them, like mixing it together and applying it under my brow, on the crease, and on the eyeliner part. So here I'm showing you I'm putting eyelash glue on the bottom of my brow, and then I'm also going to be putting it on the crease and with all the 3 glitters mixed together, which I will put the names down below so you guys can see. I just kind of wanted to make like a new glitter for myself, so I mixed all 3 together and it came out so super cute. So that's what I used here. Now when you are putting glitter in the crease, don't really freak out that much. It's like if you mess up, like it's not really a big deal, because you could just make the line thicker, or you know what I'm saying, like it's like whatever. So when you're cutting the crease, don't really worry about if it's like straight or not, because you're gonna be putting glitter there anyways. Here I'm going to be taking my liquid eyeliner from NYX, which is like my favorito. It's my favorite, chicas. Here I'm just taking my time to do my eyeliner. When I take my time, it comes out way better, trust me. So don't rush through this either, because once your eyeliner is messed up, I just feel like the whole look's messed up. Like you can mess up the crease, you can mess up like putting the glitter, because glitter, like if you put it anywhere, it just looks fabulous. But eyeliner, do not mess up. That is like the #1 thing. So here I'm just doing my eyeliner, taking my time, my time-o. So like I said, we will be placing Paco's crying for my mom. Paco, stop. We're going to be placing the glitter on the bottom of the eyeliner. It just gives you a little like more sexiness to it. Now you don't have to apply all this glitter. You can actually stop like wherever you want, but I just want it to be extra AF. Here I'm just taking Paco. I'm taking a dark purple in my bottom eyelash line, and also putting a little bit of mascara, but not really like putting a lot down there because our eye is already super dramatic. Then I will be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and applying that white shadow all in my inner corner. This just gives it like the perfect wow, like you're done, bitch, you're good to go, like amazing. I just love it. And this is the finished look. Alright guys, so that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did try to film it a little bit different this time. Tell me if it's like more aesthetically pleasing. I always try to make it aesthetically pleasing because I don't want it to look all bad, because honestly when I click on videos and the thumbnail's like hella good and then the video's like sucky, I hate that. It's just my personal preference, but just tell me if I should zoom in more, zoom out more. I want to know all you guys' opinions, and leave me your comment down below so you can be in the next shout out, and I'll see you guys here on the next video. Bye.